Good evening and welcome to the Business Day. I'm Herman Green. The Jamaica Stock Exchange has posted record gains in the last 2 years, with the price of some shares doubling. But one investment analyst is sounding a warning that some stocks may be overpriced. Dashan Hendricks reports.
The Jamaica Stock Exchange in a fourth year of strong growth. The JSE index gaining 44% so far this year. Individual stocks posting up to a 200% gain. The bedrock of the performance, pushing the combined value of stocks to more than $1 trillion. It signals the good times many investors are looking for, but at least one analyst is sending a warning. Chief Investment Officer at the VM Group, Devon Barrett, in carefully worded language, indicating some of these stocks may be overpriced.
But the truth is, what we've seen in the marketplace is that some of the price of some of the shares on the market have actually outgrown their performance. So the truth is you're going to have a period of consolidation and you're going to have a period of catching up.
Further hints were given as well that the dip in the last 5 weeks, which saw the market losing 6% since it peaked at the end of October, may be some attempts to correct the inflated prices of some shares. Mr. Barrett, however, pointing out that won't be the fate of all stocks. Some companies, he believes, will grow to eventually match their market value.
So it means that if companies continue to reinvent themselves, then some of these companies can grow into the prices that have been given to them by the market. And I think we need more of that for the market to continue to grow.
But the stock market isn't the only area he is warning about. The Bank of Jamaica recently cut its policy rate from 3.5 to 3.25%, citing a more stable economy underpinned by inflation, which is low and expected to remain low in the next 2 years, as a means of pressuring financial institutions to bring down interest rates. Mr. Barrett, however, hinting some of the rate cuts being sought may not happen, and telling why he thinks so.
We know that interest rates in Jamaica have some relationship to interest rates in the US. And where we are now is that we expect that interest rates in the US will start going up sometime soon. As a matter of fact, we expect that the Fed will raise again in December. So we have to be concerned about the bottom for the interest rates on the local market, given the fact that interest rates in the developed world will start going up. So that is a concern that we'll have and we have to take cognizance of.
For the Business Day, I am Dashan Hendricks.
Currency trading ended today with the US dollar selling for $125.94. The Canadian dollar sells for $99.02. The pound sterling is going for $168.81, while the euro is costing $149.90. The JSE index closed 967 points lower today, while the junior market index lost 19. Stocks posting gains included Consolidated Bakeries, Grace Kennedy, NCB Financial Group, Radio Jamaica, and Supreme Ventures. On the losing end, we had 1834 Investments, C2W Music, Carreras, Jamaica Broilers, Jetcon, Mayberry Investments, Scotia Group, and T-Tech. And that's the Business Day. I'm Herman Green. Good evening.